How to fix error 2503 and 2502 in Windows 11 is what I'm going to show you in this video. We'll start off by opening up the Windows Start button and searching for File Explorer. With the best match should come up with the Explorer app. Open it up. Now on the left here, you want to click this PC and then open up the disk or drive that has your Windows installed on it. You can see that by having the Windows icon above the disk logo. As you can see here, for me it's C. The other ones don't have the logo above them. So C. You then want to click on Windows, scroll down until you see Temp. Here, left click, now right click and go to Properties. Under the Temp Properties, go to Security, go to Advanced. Now under Permissions, you want to click Continue. And in here, you need to choose the permission entries. So let's choose one of these. Click Add, set a principal at the top. Now enter the object name to select everyone. Enter everyone, check names. Once you enter everyone as a principal, you can now enter these basic permissions, full control, hit OK, and once you're there, you would then go to apply, OK, restart your computer, and you should have been able to fix your error 2503 and 2502. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.